A child abduction alert has been issued in Green Bay for the following 4 children. Genesee Hargrove, age 7, female, American Indian, 4 feet 5 inches, 75 pounds, black hair, brown eyes, with facial pigmentation. Jada Hargrove, age 6, female, American Indian, 3 foot 11 inches, 57 pounds, black hair, brown eyes, with facial pigmentation. True Ward, age 4, male, American Indian, 4 foot 2 inches, 44 pounds, black hair, brown eyes, with facial pigmentation. Journey Hargrove, age 1, female, American Indian, 2 foot 11 inches, 30 pounds, black hair, and brown eyes. Children were last seen and are missing from 835 South Van Buren Street in Green Bay, Wisconsin. Unknown clothing description for all 4 children. Law enforcement authorities believe the children may be in the company of Deanna M. Ward, age 34, female, American Indian, 5 foot 1 inch, 192 pounds, brown hair and brown eyes. They may also be in the company of Diana L. Haffaday, age 57, female, American Indian, 5 foot 1 inch, 162 pounds, brown hair and brown eyes. Unknown means of travel. If you have any information on the whereabouts of Genesee, Jada, True, and Journey, please contact the Green Bay Police Department at 920-448-3208.